Guys, do you want to stop people from mentioning you on Instagram? You are tired of people mentioning you into their stories or comments or live videos or whatever. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy option. And in settings and privacy, just scroll a little bit until you get the option of tags and mention. Just simply tap on that option. So from here you can manage that who can tag you or who can mention you. You can see I have just set it to don't allow mentions. In order to stop people from mentioning you, just tap on don't allow mentions. Or if you want to set it to your followings, or if you want to set it to everyone, just simply tap on that option like in this way. So if you want to stop people from mentioning you, so just simply tap on don't allow mention. So that's how you can easily stop people from mentioning you into their stories or into their videos or comments or whatever. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.